Guys, I just washed my hair with the new wash by Hairstory and I'm absolutely obsessed with the results. My hair feels so squeaky clean. For a cleanser that doesn't foam and that doesn't give you that lather that we all love, this is like incredible. My hair feels so good. It feels so shiny and so incredibly fluffy. I have really fine, oily hair, and in this video, we're going to be talking about this new product so that you might be able to use it and it might actually change your life. So I found out about Hairstory through Forbes magazine on a day when I was like, I need to leave Canada. I don't like that we're still in lockdown here in Ontario and I really want to move to the States. That's like my ultimate goal. And I was looking at companies and salons in the States. And then I came across Hairstory, and big shout out to Hairstory because they are actually helping stylists make money online through affiliate links, which is such a genius idea. They're actually pretty generous and their product is amazing. So this is the article. It says that some stylists are making up to $8,000 a month with 25% commission, which is really generous. Not a lot of companies do that. They basically give us a link to their website and you can shop directly on the website. So I will be including that in the description below. So anytime you click on that and you purchase a product, it does help me immensely. I found someone on Facebook Marketplace who was selling hers and I asked her, I was like, what did you think of the new wash? And she says, for me, I didn't like it. I found that it was really hard to rinse out. I have finer type of hair, a lot of them, and it seemed to stick to them as well as my scalp. Others have raved about it, but I think it works with certain hair types better than others. So I do want to address this in this video. I wrote back to her and I said, I think the deep would have worked better for you. And on YouTube, I found a review by the Honest channel. As I was watching her video, I realized that she actually chose the wrong product. She mentions that she has oily hair and the overall feeling does not feel like your hair is cleansed. Let me tell you, I just washed my hair with it. My hair feels really fluffy and I'm someone who's absolutely obsessed with the Maxi Wash from Kevin Murphy. Ever since I got my keratin treatment, my hair has been feeling super greasy and I feel like I have to wash it every few days because it just doesn't feel very clean and very cleansed as it used to. Also, my hair is very fine, so it tends to get very limp. So if you go on their websites and hit products, you will come up with this page and it will tell you that this creamy cleanser contains essential oils and naturally derived ingredients that clean without stripping your scalp of its protective barrier. They have 3 types of washes. So you have the new wash rich, you have the new wash original, and you have the new wash deep. I went for the new wash deep because my hair is oily and it's fine and I really love a deep clean. They need to clear this up a little bit, I think, because we need to know exactly which one to buy for ourselves. I know they have a little quiz, but I just feel like over here they can say, you know, for richer moisture, for extremely dry hair, for example. We have 3 basically different types of hair. You have very fine hair, you have medium hair, and you have very coarse hair. And sometimes we can be mixed in the middle. We can have both medium to coarse or fine to medium hair. Everyone has different needs. When you're buying the rich, you should have very dry hair that's dull, that's dry, you have a dry scalp, then you want to go with the rich. If you don't have real problems with your hair and you don't have any issues with your scalp and your hair always looks okay, it always looks healthy, you don't feel like you need a treatment for your hair, you're very low maintenance, then you want to go with the original because that's basically made for people who don't really have any issues with their hair. If your hair tends to get oily and it's fine like mine, then you want to go with the deep. If we go into the rich, it basically says wake up to new wash rich moisture and wait, work with your texture instead of against it. Rich has a new look. I really think that marketing wise, I think they need to go more in depth about what type of hair that it's right for. I like that they have the full ingredients list here. You have evening primrose oil, you have sunflower, you have peppermint, jojoba. Everything is listed. So if you're allergic to anything, it's all there. There's a money back guarantee. I'm going to go ahead and do the quiz because I want to see if they can diagnose me properly. Okay, what's my name? All right. How old am I? I wash my hair. No, let's go for twice a week. After washing your hair, how soon does it get oily? Time on your hair routine? Depends. How long is your hair? Chin. How thick is a... Oh, this is actually great. So mine's really fine. Your hair texture, they're very thin. Wavy or loose curl. Describe your scalp. Oily. Describe your ends. A little frizzy. Nope. I use definitely volumizing, texture spray, dry shampoo. I use blow dryer, a round brush, fingers, and a sander brush. Have you dyed or bleached your hair in the past year? Bleach. Literally all of them and permanent. All of them. What do you use to wash your hair? Shampoo and conditioner. Improve hair health because I really want to grow it. What results do you seek from your hairstyling products? More volume. Protect from heat. Less frizz. More shine. Okay. Oh. So they recommended that I go with the original, and I don't agree with this. I think, did you see that attitude? I don't think this is right. I think I should definitely go for the deep. If you have oily scalp, you should go for a deep. You need a deep cleanse because your hair is going to get oily, especially if you're using a lot of dry shampoo and a lot of products. You need to go for a deep clean. I don't know why they went with the original. If you don't like an extra cleanse, then maybe get the normal, and then once a week you can do the deep clean. So let's talk about how you can actually use this product. So it does come like this in a sachet, and then you pop it open. So it's like a cream format. You're gonna feel like it's a conditioner, and it's not going to feel like a shampoo. It's not going to lather. So you wanna wet your hair first. It's all natural ingredients, so you can actually use it as a hand lotion. So you just run it through your scalp. And what I do is I tilt my head forward and I wash my hair this way. I don't wash my hair back. Now with the brush, you hold the brush. This is such an excellent brush. It's like, it gives you like a nice massage too. So you run it through your scalp and it will give your scalp a really, really much needed deep clean. I just love playing with this. And what I like to do is I basically start over here and then I go in circular motions and I take it all the way back. And then you just keep going back. That's 1 and that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just come around this way. And I like to also cleanse the back too, because I have really, really dense hair in the back. I found that as soon as I rinsed my hair, it felt squeaky clean. Squeaky clean. So this is why I love the deep. I think the deep is what you guys should go for if you have really fine, thin, oily hair. So I will be linking down below the affiliate link for this product if you are interested in purchasing a new wash for yourself. If you have any questions about which one you should be getting, definitely comment on this video or send me a DM on Instagram at Lena Does Hair, and I will help you choose the right product for you. They do also have a lot of styling products. This is such a nice, refreshing company. All their ingredients are biodegradable. They are full of essential oils. I'm a big, big fan. So just so you guys can see how clean my hair feels. No conditioner, no treatment. This is all natural regrowth. Generally, my hair gets super oily and sticky within a couple of days, especially after the keratin treatment. And it feels so shiny and soft. It feels like I just had a toner put in or like a color. It really feels amazing. I just absolutely love this so much. So big fan of Hairstory. Look at that, and it just falls so nice. Now I did blow dry. I just grabbed one of these like medium brushes and I just round brushed my hair. But this is it. I just run my fingers through it and it just sits really nice. So we'll see how it feels tomorrow and after. But as far as I can tell, it's super cleansed right now. And that's it for this video. If you guys have questions or if you've tried it yourself, please leave some comments below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up because it helps in growing this channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.